Welcome to the Getting Started with Zoom tutorial video. Zoom is a video conferencing and instant messaging tool that allows users to connect from both desktop and mobile devices. There are various account types with Zoom, two of which are the free or basic account and a paid or licensed account. A paid or licensed account may also be called a pro account. The differences of each account will vary. This chart displays some of the main differences of each account, one of which is the duration of meetings for 3 or more users. Free or basic accounts will have a time limit of 40 minutes when meeting with 3 or more users, while paid licenses will have a time limit of 24 hours. To create a free Zoom account, visit zoom.us. Click the Sign Up It's Free button at the top. Enter your email address and follow the instructions to complete account creation. Please note that if your institution adds you as a user, whether that be a free or a paid account, to the institution account, you will receive an email from Zoom requiring you to activate your account. Follow the instructions in the email to complete account activation. Additionally, if you need a paid account, please talk with your institution. After you have created a Zoom account, it is recommended that you download the Zoom desktop and/or mobile application. To download the Zoom Meetings client for desktop, visit the Zoom Download Center at zoom.us/download. Click the Download button under the Zoom Client for Meetings section. Complete the Zoom installation process. Once installation is complete, open Zoom. You will either see a Zoom icon on your desktop or Zoom will be listed in your computer's programs. To download the Zoom Apple and mobile application, visit the App Store or Google Play Store to download the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Install the app to your mobile device. To log into the Zoom desktop application, open the Zoom desktop application. Click Sign In. Enter your Zoom credentials and click Sign In. This is the Zoom desktop application. At the top of the Zoom desktop application is the Zoom desktop main menu, which contains 5 primary buttons. The first is the Home button. This is the first screen of the Zoom desktop application. The second is the Chat button. The Chat button is where you will instant message other Zoom users. The third is the Meetings button. This is where you will view upcoming scheduled meetings and start scheduled meetings. The fourth is the Contacts button. This is where you will view a list of contacts, add contacts, view channels, and create new channels. The last button in the main menu is the Account Details button. This is where you can change the status and update your profile. Located on the Home button are 5 additional buttons. A New Meetings button, which is where you will start a new meeting. A Join button, which is what you will click on to join a meeting using the meeting ID. A Schedule button, which will allow you to schedule a meeting. And a Share Screen button, which will allow you to share your screen by entering a sharing key or meeting ID. Lastly, there's a Settings button, which is a gear icon. The Settings button will allow you to modify Zoom settings. This concludes the Getting Started with Zoom tutorial video.